Hello, my friend. I am Cami from the blog and YouTube channel Tidbits. So I got a new coffee table and I feel like playing with it today. So I have several ideas for how I want to decorate it, and I just thought I would take you along as I swap it out and kind of take you through my train of thought for each style and just have fun. And I hope you'll enjoy watching and come away with several ideas of how you can decorate a coffee table, more particularly a round coffee table like I have. So I hope you'll enjoy this video and be inspired. Okay, so I want to talk to you about first where I got this coffee table. It is so beautiful. I was actually searching for hours online for something that fit the vision in my head. And when I saw this one, I knew I nailed it. It is from a shop that I discovered online called Amethyst Home. I had never heard of them before, but unlike stores like Amazon or Target or Wayfair, you get a plethora of styles to sort through. I love it when I find a shop that just like nails everything for me. It just speaks to my style and what I love, and I feel like it was like curated for me. That is what I felt like when I came across Amethyst Home. And I actually reached out to them and asked them if they wanted to sponsor this video and work with me to style and share some of their lovely products. So this coffee table came from Amethyst Home. I just love the raw organic texture in it. The roughed up wood and the shape, everything is just perfect. I love the wood color. I just absolutely love it. So I was really excited to put it in this space. They also sent me some pillow covers. They really specialize in vintage pillow covers, and I just fell in love with every one of them. They surprised me with what they sent. I just love these rough and organic colored textured pillow covers that they sent, and I specifically love this pure linen throw with the fringed edges. I just think it is absolutely gorgeous and perfect for my space. Like I mentioned, I feel like they curated their shop for me. So if you also love kind of the European vibe in your home, organic textures and things like that, I think you will be like a kid in a candy store looking at everything they have online. So big thanks to Amethyst Home for joining me for this video and allowing me an opportunity to just play with some decor ideas for you. Okay, so yesterday I actually already set up this table that you have here, and I have a few other ideas I want to play with. But this idea is like really just more of a relaxed, cozy vibe for a coffee table. I'm calling it the coffee table of inspiration. I just grabbed a ton of my decor books, and let's see, what else do I have here? Like some of my favorite magazines. I've been through some of the books I've been wanting to read about raising chickens, since we have those in our backyard. Just a lot of inspirational books, because for me, one of my favorite things to do is just sit on a couch, wind down, and pick up a really good book. So I feel like this style of decor is very much a functional, lived-in style. I think it's charming as well. And it's just very simple and invites inspiration and a moment to wind down and soak up a good book. So this was my first idea, and you'll see here I organized them in groups of 3, kind of using that the idea of the power of thirds. So I piled the books into piles of 3, one higher, one a little smaller than that, and then one even down lower. I also stuffed some books down at the bottom, just using as much space as I could find to display some of my favorite decor books and informational books. So I thought that was really fun, really simple. If you are a book lover, you already have all the books at home you need to just throw this together on your coffee table. If it was a rectangular one, I probably wouldn't do the thirds. That works really well for a round coffee table, but a rectangular one, you might want to stack them in rows. Just something fun to play with. Okay, so my next idea, I think I'm going to actually grab some shears and head outside. I just have a pretty vase and I want to go find some clippings for it. So I think I'll just grab my cell phone and take you along. All right, you guys, I've got my cute shoes on, my gathering basket. Here's the view from my house. It's a really sunny day. Oh, bless my husband and his love for vintage old equipment. Well, there are tons of sunflower weeds in our unscaped yard. It's a new home, if you didn't know that already. We will work on landscaping next year, but I don't think I want to do anything too fall-ish yet, so I don't think I even want the sunflowers or any like brown grass. I think I'm gonna head over to these trees and see if I can just find something green and fresh and vibrant. So let's see what we can find. I just discovered we have this tree in our yard with these like berries on them. I'm not sure what they are. Huckleberries, chokecherries, those are pretty common around here, but they would be really pretty in a vase, but I'm not sure what they are. So I don't think it's the best idea to bring them into my home. Yeah, we'll keep looking. And I just realized as I'm foraging, I forgot to let the chickens out. The kids have school today. And so it lies on me. So you guys get to come with me while I do that. This chicken house is a serious work in progress. We just started it and finishing it kind of got sidetracked. So no chickies. The inside's pretty cool. See if we got any eggs. Not yet. And there's our little chicks. Can you guys see them back there? Here. There's 5 of them. And we had one hen go all broody on us. We thought she was just missing. So she came out of the weeds one day with chicks. It was crazy, but it's so fun. I think I'm feeling inclined to just bring in some simple maple branches. We have plenty of those, so I think I'll clip some of those and go in and arrange them and see if I like that. All right, so I am calling this the coffee table of simplicity. It's just really, really simple. It's one vase, one arrangement, just beauty and simplicity is the theory. You could really work this all year round just by swapping out whatever you put inside the vase, whatever's outside for you to clip. Someone brings you flowers, prop it in there. It's just a really, really simple idea that could work for as long as you want it to. So I've done the coffee table of inspiration, the coffee table of simplicity. I think I'm gonna try one more and play around with the rule of thirds and gather up some items in my home that maybe are in 3 different heights and just play around with that. Usually when you have a circular table or element, the rules of thirds work really well. So I think we'll play around with that and see what we come up with. Okay, so here is the coffee table of thirds. I actually just picked up these vases recently. This little guy was only $5. This one was probably more expensive than the other ones, but I just went to the antique store and just found some of varying heights, and I knew I would use them eventually, and this was the perfect spot for them. So I've learned when you're dealing with the rule of thirds, it's really just best to have like the biggest item staggered in the back, and then the next biggest item kind of a little bit in front of that, and the other one a little bit in between the 2 bigger items. So that's just something that feels natural to me. I'm sure that's not a hard and fast rule, but that's just kind of what I came up with here. So I hope you have liked these several ideas I've given you. I will be sure and link this beautiful Joshua Will coffee table from Amethyst Home. I'll link it in the description below. I'll also share the links to the pillow covers and that beautiful linen throw blanket that just has my heart. You can find all of that below. I hope that was helpful, or at the very least inspiring, to watch me play with several ideas. I actually think I'm going to stick with the coffee table of inspiration with the books for now. We have some family coming and I just want them to feel relaxed. And I don't know about you, but if I were to come into someone's home and had many inspiring books that I didn't have in my own home, just at my reach, I would think it would be really fun. So I'm gonna put those books back out here and then probably just swap out with these other ideas whenever I feel like it. Okay, I am so grateful to you for watching this video. It was a little less informal than most of my other videos, but I had a lot of fun putting it together for you. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love it if you would do that. Basically encourage me to keep on going with video. It's a new world for me, but I'm having a lot of fun delivering content to you in this way. So thank you again for watching, and come back for more inspiration for do-it-yourself living.